Hi everybody, Alyssa here. I'm going to be doing a first impressions slash honest review of this Tenneco mop. I think it's a series 3. I'll make sure I link it in the video, but you can kind of see here I've got some doggy footprints, there's kids tracks all over on this floor. So I'm going to mop over here real quick and see what we can do. So just a quick demo there. Wow, that looks great. You can kind of see everything on these floors, unfortunately. So it looks like when I was using it, when you're going forward, it's dry, but then when you're pulling back, that's when you get it wet. First impressions are good. I'm interested to see how it's dry to see if it leaves any marks or anything on there. But so far, I like this. Found it on Amazon. I'm impressed so far. So I will check back later and maybe have another review video later after I've used it a few times. But if you're looking for a wet vac, I highly recommend this one.